Hello everybody. When talking about how fluoroquinolone antibiotics damage the mitochondria, many times I get the response, how? Like, what does the antibiotic do? What does that even mean? So here we go. Fluoroquinolones are a class of synthetic antibiotics approved and used to treat and prevent certain bacterial infections. To get technical, the sixth position controls the mechanism of action and bacterial potency of quinolones. They contain the fluorine atom at position number 6 bound to carbon, which creates the fluoroquinolone structure. This potency allows the fluoroquinolone to survive in the cell for a long time, contributing to long-term adverse reactions. This class of antibiotics cross the blood-brain barrier and cause mitochondria damage. This is because fluoroquinolones impair the ability of DNA to replicate bacterial cells that kill bad bacteria, as well as replicate healthy cells, leading to DNA replication at lower concentrations and ultimately causing cell death. Fluoroquinolone toxicity is caused by the antibiotic bound to fluoride, which penetrates into the mitochondria, leading to oxidative stress, free radicals, reactive oxygen species, ROS, mitochondrial damage, reduced ATP, which is energy at the cellular level, and epigenetic changes. Here are some other things that fluoroquinolones do. They chelate magnesium out of muscle cells. This metal ion chelating seems to be the most fundamental feature of fluoroquinolones, which probably leads to all other observed toxic effects. They inhibit proline hydroxylation, which reduces type 1 and type 3 collagen, leading to tendon damage, weakness, and atrophy. They are an inhibitor of human cytochrome P450-1A2, which is CYP-1A2. Co-administration of fluoroquinolones with other drugs metabolized by CYP-1A2 results in increased plasma concentration of these drugs and can lead to toxicity. Here's one additional thing to think about. While not technically considered bacteria today, mitochondria, which are the powerhouses of eukaryotic cells, are believed to have evolved from free-living bacteria through a process called endosymbiosis. This means that at one point in evolutionary history, a bacterial cell was engulfed by another cell, and instead of being digested, formed a symbiotic relationship with its host, eventually becoming the mitochondria that we know today. So, mitochondria originated from bacteria, and a fluoroquinolone is an antibiotic that kills both good and bad bacteria and is so potent that it crosses the blood-brain barrier. This is why, per the FDA, fluoroquinolone antibiotics contain many black box warnings, 7, and are to be used when no other treatment options are available, because they can cause serious, long-term, and potentially permanent and disabling side effects, including toxicity to the central nervous system, cardiovascular system, and musculoskeletal system. Other toxicity symptoms include Hope this video helped you understand how fluoroquinolone antibiotics destroy mitochondria and the adverse effects that result because of this. If a practitioner is prescribing you a fluoroquinolone antibiotic not as last resort, please ask for an alternative if there is one. If there isn't, then obviously you need to take a fluoroquinolone, but most of the time there are alternatives. It's not worth the risk. Thanks, everybody.